Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love summer, sitting out on the patio, sitting outside. It is so relaxing, but nothing runs that quicker than a swarm of mosquitoes. Am I right? But that is no longer a problem for me thanks to this Virine Mosquito Repellent. This little thing works so well, and I love that it's tiny. It's super portable. I even brought this to my friend's house. How this thing works is on the middle there is this little cage here, and it comes with two of these. And inside is some really, really strongly scented stuff the mosquitoes don't like. Things like citronella, geranium, they're plant-based things, which I really appreciate. So you just pop that bad boy in here, and then it is a fan. So it like pushes that smell all around you, and you have a 30-foot bubble all around you with no bugs. It's phenomenal. The other night at our friend's, once I turned this on, I saw no bugs. The other night I was sitting outside. Within a minute, I had a mosquito on me, grabbed this thing, and I saw no more mosquitoes on me the rest of the night. This thing really does work. The fan is super quiet, so it's not going to be disturbing you. I also really love this for our house because sometimes, you just want to come outside and sit outside for 5 or 10 minutes, and it's not worth spraying your whole body with bug repellent. So if you live where there's mosquitoes, so everyone, you need one. But that's just my point of view.